What is going on, guys? I hope you're having a fantastic day. We've got an amazing video coming because my boys all came over to do a little race action against the Supra. So finally, no more excuses. I'm not running the Supra on 91. We went to the gas station. It's on E85. It's making its maximum 560 horsepower at the wheels at 3,300 pounds. Then we got the man, Kevin Lowe. What's going on, dude?
What's up? Good to see you.
What do we got going on here? Beautiful R8.
It's right now it's cosmetic. I have exhaust, but it's a stock R8 V10 non-plus. So we're looking at, Audi says 540, but it's underrated. So I'd say like 570, 580 horsepower.
The advantage of this, all-wheel drive, from the factory, that 575 horsepower. There's something about factory power that always seems to add more than aftermarket. The gearbox in this is way superior to the Supra. Then we got James, the Joker, with his beautiful Z06. Tell me about it. Tell me about it.
Stock Z06 with a Z07 package, so 650 horsepower, 650 torque.
That's where I think you might get me. You got big boy torque in that thing. Yeah. Spencer, who do you think? Who do you think's coming out with the W?
Okay, so the Supra, I think, will honestly take this.
Yep. Okay.
But it might be tough taking the Z06.
I agree. Honestly. Kevin, who do you think's gonna win?
What kind of race are we doing?
Like a 40 roll?
Oh, thank God.
Dude, we're not doing a dig race with some rear wheel drive high horsepower cars and then Kevin Lowe with his freaking 0 to 60 machine over here.
Yeah. Honestly, yours is upgrade turbos, right?
Yeah.
This thing
I think it's gonna be even between these two, and I think you guys will take me.
So how about this? I win, and I get to keep your car for a week.
All right.
You down? You down?
Hey,
same thing? Shake okay, shake on it.
Right.
It's like racing for pink slips, but temporary pink slips. We're doing yellow slips.
There we go.
You down?
All right, if I win, then what do I get?
You can have the Supra for a week.
Okay.
All right, dope. Let's do it. Spencer giving us a little startup on the Supra. All right, your guys' turn. Let's hear it. There we go. I love the sound of that aspirated V10. Dude, matte black with a red interior. Satin. Excuse me. This is gorgeous.
Thank you.
You got one hell of a car. Kevin Lowe. Hit it. Yeah, that's friggin' stock. America, baby. Prepare to lose. All right, I am excited for this. Honestly, on E85, I haven't driven it fully on E85 in a while. It makes such an enormous difference. I think I'm gonna win. All right, guys, first up, the Supra versus the R8 V10. Let's do it.
No, I am not about that.
the races are done. Against the R8, dude, I'd say that's as even as it gets.
It was pretty even.
That was pretty awesome.
Good sportsman-like combo.
Absolutely. Dude, thank you for coming out.
course.
You're gonna go for your 4th workout of the day, is that what's going?
My 5th.
My 5th.
No, just kidding.
Classic. Take it easy, dude. Then versus the Z06. As we said before, very even. Top end, this will probably get me, but pretty even. This car, the F90, say the Supra. The Supra beat him. All right, and for the astute observers, no, we are not filling up our gas at 7-Eleven. Just meeting here. This guy is straight shredding in the bushes. Yeah! Woo! 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 That guy's ripping as hard as I destroyed you in your F90.
Oh, shut up.
I gotta say though, guys, I am so impressed with the Supra. Obviously, this is modified, but the MSRP is $56,000 with $3 grand in mods, so let's call it 60K to make it even. It's as fast as a $120,000 German sedan and a $120,000 American supercar. Epic. So before you got here, we agreed that whoever loses gives me their car for a week.
Oh, you're funny, dude.
So like, not. Yep.
I'm leaving.
All right.
Don't lose.
I'm coming with. You're leaving in the Supra.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Bye.
He's shredding again. Damn it, Alex, I want that M5. That Z06 sounds so sick. All right, have a little in-car action. Oh my God. This thing pulls so hard. Home sweet home. I love my little private racetrack driveway.
I got something for you.
What do you got?
Straight out of BMW.
Straight.
Look, see?
Look at that. M5 key, Supra key.
Got him.
Got him.
That's like a full got him.
That's a full got him. What are you doing, Toyota? Back in the McLaren. Yes. I've missed you. What did you just say?
Hey there, Delilah.
All right, we got no temperature in the tires, but let's see if we can get a little bit of heat. Lose that Supra behind us without getting too loud. I freaking love this McLaren. It literally feels like it's on rails. Even though my tires right now are 57 degrees, and they gotta be about 100 till they get full grip. Oh my God. And this car, guys. Oh my God. The acceleration is ridiculous. Oh my God, flames popping out during the daytime. Bye, Supra. Bye, Supra. Even with the tires not warm, I'm still blown away.
Wow.
Oh my God. This car is the shit. Thank you, Dino Spectrum. All right, straight away. Oh my God! It actually like slingshots you forward to the next bend. You're not just getting to the corner, you're propelled to the corner.
Too much grip.
Too much grip!
Too much grip.
To demonstrate how quick this car really is, we're gonna put it up against the Supra that you guys remember is slightly faster than an F90 and is basically the exact same speed as a Z06. When the Z06 came out, that car was so damn fast, and it's still an unbelievably fast car. But watch what happens when you have a car that's a little bit faster. Gave him the jump a little bit, had crazy wheel spin, and then when it hooked, bye-bye! Yep. Well guys, there you have have it a run with almost all of my cars. Definitely gonna have to get the Speciale Aperta out there, but I'm pretty positive, and by pretty positive, I mean I'm positive. The Supra is fast. Why are, oh.
We're not done yet.
Oh, we're not? Oh my God.
Come on, get back in there. We're going.
Does it work? Is it charged?
You got that boost.
Oh,
Supercharged. We got it.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.